We got the cherry bomb rolling out the shop today, guys. This 500 here is going to my man Bobby. Now, this ain't Bobby's first TMG, all right? He got a Fridge 60 from us back in the day. I think he actually got it for his wife. I think his wife does most of the cooking, actually. Shout out to her. Bobby wore that fridge out, ready for the step up. So we got the 500-gallon on our trailer package. Let's check it out. Guys, first off on the trailer, y'all know the deal. We build all of our trailers in-house, and we design around your setup. Now, we got an upgraded wheel and tire package here. All right, we got the paint match wheels, load range E tires, so we got a more heavy duty tire. Of course, we paint matched our TMG logo as well. The trailer, you might be noticing, man, that is some nice gloss black on that. That's because it's powder coated, folks, all right? Almost all of our trailers powder coated in-house. Now on the pit here, as you can see, we got the custom red paint job. Bobby's a big red guy, all right? He is from Texas, by the way, as well. So inside the 500 here, we got 2 sliding top trays, 3 grates on the bottom. The bottom grates are removable. All right, we do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain up there as well. On the door here, you will notice our TMG pits tell truth thermometer there, as well as the counterweight. That's all standard equipment on the 500-gallon offset, as well as that fold and stack.
Hey, door open, the stack down.
So one thing nice about this smoker, guys, say you got your stack down, you need to get inside of here, boom, all right? You ain't gotta lift your stack up to open the doors, all right? Now, I wouldn't recommend cooking on it with the stack down. You can try. I wouldn't recommend that, but if you want to, it's there ready to go, all right? Now, he also added one of our stainless shelves here. This folds up, locks into place, boom, you got a shelf right next to your pit ready to go. Fold it back down when you're done with it. By the way, this is a passenger side mount, if you didn't notice. We got the matching spare here on the driver's side. Now, the one stainless steel shelf wasn't enough for my man Bobby, so he's got 2 of our big boy prep tops back here. So you got a lot of storage, folds way up out of the way. That way you can set your coolers down in there, put all your wood in there, fold them back down, prep off of them, serve off of them, you're ready to go. Pretty slick setup there. Can't forget about the firebox, Lawson. You gotta walk all the way back around here. Guys, on all of our tank smokers, we do a fully insulated firebox, all right? So we got a 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, right with insulation. The door's insulated and the front of it's insulated well. Holds heat great. Just makes this pit a dream to run. So guys, that is Bobby K's 500-gallon heading down to Texas. So y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.